You've seen those viral map videos, glowing countries, fast stats, clean edits, and they look like they were made with some advanced desktop setup. But here's the thing, you can make that exact same style of video with animated maps, voiceovers, and even graphs entirely from your phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it using Hera AI, ChatGPT, and 11 Labs. No editing background, no switching to a computer. I'll walk you through how I build everything. Map scenes, voiceovers, chart overlays, all on mobile. And just so you know, I checked YouTube's July 15th update. This type of content is still completely safe. So you're not just good to go, you're early. The best part, USA map content like this earns more. These videos don't just go viral, they bring in higher RPM and help grow faceless channels fast. Let's get started. Part 1, step by step. First, we need a script, and we're going to create it using the ChatGPT app right on your phone. Open the app and type this prompt. Give me 5 catchy YouTube Shorts ideas using animated maps to show interesting data by country or US state. Make it educational and visual. Once you see the list, pick one that stands out. For this tutorial, I'm using top 5 US states with the lowest rent. It's short, it's relevant, and it ranks well. Plus, US-focused map content usually gets a higher RPM than global videos, which means better monetization potential right out the gate. Now, type this follow-up prompt. Write a short YouTube short script for a video titled Top 5 US States with the Lowest Rent. Keep it under 45 seconds, include real statistics, and make it engaging. ChatGPT will give you a full script with smooth transitions and natural pacing. Copy or screenshot the entire thing because you'll use it for your voiceover and visuals. Now, let's take it one step further. Ask ChatGPT to break out one stat for each state. Type this. Give me one short rent-related stat for each of these states: Arkansas, Mississippi, West Virginia, Kentucky, and Alabama. Keep each one under 15 words and include the rent amount. You'll get quick lines like Arkansas has an average rent of $790, West Virginia averages $780, and so on. These are the exact stats you'll match to your map visuals and text overlays later. Part 2, SBS. Now that we've got our script and stats, it's time to turn that into a voiceover, and we're using the 11 Labs app to do it. Open the 11 Labs app on your phone and sign in. Tap on speech synthesis, then choose a voice that matches the tone of your video. You can use one of the default options or create your own custom voice if you've already trained one. Next, paste in your full script. This should include your intro line and each state's stat in the order they'll appear. Make sure the text flows naturally and doesn't feel robotic. You want it to sound conversational. Once your script is ready, tap Generate. Give it a second to process. When it's done, listen back and check the pacing. If it sounds good, download the audio straight to your phone. Now you've got a clean, ready-to-use voiceover that will match the visuals perfectly. And because we kept it under 45 seconds, it will sync smoothly with each animated scene we build in Hera.
Looking for my prompts? They're all in my Creator Hub, linked in the description. You'll find powerful tools, mini tutorials, and 100+ prompts updated every month. It's everything I use, made simple for you.
Part 3, SBS. Now let's build the animated map scenes using Hera AI. Open Safari and go to hera.video. Log into your account and tap New Project. When it asks you to choose a layout, I recommend starting with one of the templates. Templates give you a head start, especially for shorts like this. Pick one that fits a data or map format, then switch the project to vertical. Start with your first state. In the prompt bar, type something like this: US map with Arkansas glowing green. Smooth zoom in, dark background. Overlay text that says number 5, Arkansas average, rent $7.90. Then type, attach this flag to Arkansas. Now tap image or video and upload the Arkansas flag. Make sure you already saved the Arkansas state flag PNG to your phone so it's ready to go. Hera will use that flag and place it in the animation as part of the scene. Tap generate and let Hera build the video. Sometimes the site might refresh or glitch while it's creating the animation. That's normal. Don't worry. Once it finishes, tap download and save the clip to your phone. Even if it looked a little laggy while rendering, the final video will play smooth and clean. Now repeat the same process for the other states. For Mississippi, you'll type a prompt like Mississippi glowing green with overlay text that says number 4, Mississippi average rent $8.12. Then say, attach this flag to Mississippi. Upload the Mississippi flag using the same steps. Repeat this for West Virginia, Kentucky, and Alabama. Each time, tap image or video and upload the correct flag that you've saved to your phone. Keep your visual style consistent across all 5 scenes. That means same glow, same zoom, same font, same background color. This will make your final video feel polished. If you want to show just the state instead of the whole US map, you can upload a transparent PNG of that state. Just search for something like Kentucky State Outline PNG and save it. In Hera, tap Add Image, upload the shape, and place your rent stat right over it. Once you've gone through all 5 states, you should have 5 animated clips. Each one should include the ranking, the rent stat, the state name, and the correct flag. And even if Hera glitched during creation, your downloaded videos will look smooth, clean, and ready to edit. Part 4, SBS. Now let's create the final chart that compares all 5 states side by side. This gives your video a strong finish and helps your viewers see the full picture clearly. Start by going into Hera. Either open a new project or add a new scene to your existing timeline. Choose a graph template. I recommend using a horizontal bar chart since it works best for comparing rent stats like these. Make sure your format is still set to vertical. Next, open the ChatGPT app and ask it to generate a horizontal bar chart comparing rent in Arkansas, Mississippi, West Virginia, Kentucky, and Alabama. Use a dark background, bold white text, and keep it vertical for shorts. Once it generates the chart, press and hold to save the image to your phone. Head back to Hera, tap image or video, and upload the chart image you just saved. Now, I know I already said this about Hera glitching during generation, but I'm saying it again because it's important. It might reload, it might freeze, but once it's done, the download will be smooth, clean, and exactly how you imagined it. With this final animated chart, your video now wraps up with a full side-by-side comparison of every state. It adds that final professional touch and gives your viewers something satisfying to stick around for. Now that all your map scenes and chart visuals are ready, let's bring everything together in CapCut. Open the CapCut app and start a new project. Import all 5 map clips you created in Hera along with your animated chart scene. Then import your 11 Labs voiceover from earlier. Drag the voiceover track onto the timeline and make sure it lines up with your visuals. Adjust the timing by trimming or extending clips so each line of the voiceover matches the right scene. Next, add bold text overlays that repeat the stat in each scene. For example, for Arkansas, type average rent $790 and place it in the center or bottom third of the screen. Use a high contrast font in white or yellow so it's easy to read on mobile. You can also add simple motion effects like fade in or zoom to keep it visually interesting. To boost engagement, sprinkle in some light sound effects Add a whoosh or swipe sound when transitioning between states. Then drop a soft background beat underneath the voice over something chill so it doesn't overpower the narration. You can find both sound effects and music right in the CapCut audio library. Now here's the part that helps you grow. At the very end of your video, add a final text slide with your CTA. It can be as simple as follow for more US map facts or more faceless videos like this coming soon. Use the same font and colors so it feels like a natural close. Once you're happy with how it all flows, export the video in 1080p vertical. Upload it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels wherever your audience hangs out. This type of content performs well across all platforms, especially since it's short, visual, and data-driven. And that's it. You've just created a full animated map video with voiceover, state facts, and even a chart entirely from your phone. If you're into quick tutorials that actually earn, stick around. I've got more high RPM video ideas coming your way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next update.